Hey there. In this video, we'll explore the concept of TFVars file in Terraform and how they help manage variables and configurations. In Terraform, TFVar files are used to store variable values in a separate file, allowing for easy management and customization of variables without modifying the main configuration files. TFVar files produce a convenient way to organize and maintain input variable values for your Terraform projects. Let's copy our variables project and paste it in here, and we'll create one more file called TFVars variables.tfvars. Now we have two variables called region and instance type, as we remember from our previous video, and the values are passed inside the main.tf file with var instance type. Now we could use TFVars file to tell Terraform to use region and instance type that is different from what's inside the default file. In this example, we have TFVars file with custom values for variables. The variables region and instance type are assigned specific values. To use the values defined in TFVars file, you can pass it as a command line argument when using Terraform commands. You could use Terraform apply like this and then var file with variables.tfvars. And this will give precedence to region and instance type inside the variables.tfvars file. Terraform allows you to use multiple TFVar files, enabling you to have different sets of values for different environments or configurations. You can create separate TFVar files for each environment or configuration and selectively pass them when running Terraform commands, such as a development environment and a production environment. It's important to understand the variable precedence in Terraform. When multiple sources define the same variable, Terraform follows the specific order to determine the value to use. So we'll have variables, TFVar files, and then the defaults. So we'll have first preference to command line arguments, then environment variables, then TFVar files, and then the defaults. The order of variable precedence typically starts with command line arguments, followed by environment variables, TFVar files, and finally defaults, defined in the configurations. In some cases, you may have sensitive variable values such as passwords and API keys that you don't want to store in plain text in your TFVar files. To handle such sensitive values, you can use sensitive variables or secure backends like HashiCorp Vault, which allow you to securely store and retrieve sensitive information. And that's it. You now understand the Terraform TFVars file. TFVar files provide a flexible way to manage and customize variable values for your Terraform configurations. Happy provisioning!